right, so hello guys. So I received a DM from mom asking, "Hello Teach, good day. Baka may alam po kayong ESL companies and how to apply sa lang." So before I answer you, mom, follow my account first. So anyway, when I was starting my ESL journey or teaching journey, ganito rin po yung ginagawa ko. I message ESL teacher, content creators. Some replied, but some didn't. So based on your question, mom, I assume that you are a beginner or baguhan. All right. So yes. And before I share some ESL companies where you can apply, make sure to have the basic requirements first. Okay. So the first one is the laptop or desktop. So the specs will depend on the company's tech requirements, but most require at least 8 giga RAM, GB RAM. This helps your device run smoothly, especially when downloading big applications and avoiding lags during classes. Okay, so the next one is the noise canceling microphone and headset. So this ensures a clear communication with your students. So para para maganda yung klase nyo. So the next one is a stable internet connection. So most companies will require at least 10 Mbps, most lang. So next is quiet environment. So para walang distraction during class because some companies are very strict with this one. And mostly those teachers na maglure maingay po yung paligid, usually they receive complaints and bad feedback. So make sure po that you have a quiet environment. If you don't have these, sayang lang po yung effort sa pag-apply because most ESL companies won't accept applicants without them. Now, where to apply as a beginner? So, if you are a beginner po, ma'am, if you are just starting out, I recommend po or I suggest po 512. Bakit po? So, they offer free trainings and their trainers are super helpful po. They're very good trainers. Okay, next is you'll get a lot of practice because most of their students are beginners. Yes. So, however, mababa po yung sahod nila or rate per hour. So, but it's good for gaining experience naman po. But you might want to look for better paying companies later on. So that's it po. Just check the comment section because I'll be listing some. I'll be putting some ESL companies where you can apply and keep on applying until you find the right ESL company for you. Good luck!